Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Squarespace Scheduling for appointment UI UX step by step clearly. To begin registering with Squarespace Scheduling, head over to the Squarespace website. Once there, locate the scheduling option on the top navigation bar. Click on Get Started to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to either log in to your existing Squarespace account or create a new one. If you need to create a new account, fill in the required details such as your name, email address, and password. After entering your information, confirm your email address by clicking on the verification link sent to your inbox. Once your account is set up, return to the Squarespace scheduling page. You will be presented with an overview of the features available. Click on Start Scheduling to proceed to the configuration settings. Here, you will be asked to select your time zone. Choosing your time zone is crucial for managing appointments effectively. Next, you may need to connect your calendar. Integration with Google Calendar or another calendar service helps avoid double bookings. Follow the prompts to connect your preferred calendar. Now, you'll set up your appointment types. Choose the type of appointments you want to offer, such as one-on-one meetings or group sessions. For each appointment type, set the duration and any other relevant details like location or video conferencing settings. As you configure each appointment type, you can also set up custom availability. Decide which days and times you are available for appointments. Once you've completed that, you can add any buffer times needed between appointments. To finalize your setup, customize your scheduling page. You can add your logo, choose colors, and modify text to match your branding. After personalizing the appearance, it's time to set up payment options if applicable. Squarespace Scheduling allows you to accept payments through integrations with services like Stripe or PayPal. Follow the instructions to connect your payment method to your account. Once everything is set up, review your settings to ensure accuracy. Finally, publish your scheduling page and share the link with your clients. Your Squarespace scheduling account is now fully operational. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.